Since assuming office in 2018, Lowe has presided over a council consisting of 13 members, 9 elected councillors, and 4 nominated representatives. These appointed officials include Women's Representative Fing Tonjai, Youth Representative Abdullah Krubali, Business Representative Basirun Dao, and the late Anseka, who served as Social Representative. Lowe explained that the nomination procedures adheres to guidelines established after the 2021 local government elections.
Now, when they were nominated, let's assume, for instance, the case of the social rep, and you received a letter. Now, what did you do when you received the letter? Torsi kunjeka ki nena buñ ko bindé ñu saf la lettre bi nga joté lettre bi lo defon
mo ñu contact ko
I contacted her
and wax ko ne ko nominate nako ci council
and I told her that she was nominated.
Then you
please proceed.
ñu bind ci ministry bi.
Then I wrote to the ministry. Please increase your voice. Very well. I wrote to the ministry.
Ma bind ministry bi wax leen ne ñi ñoy as nominated councillors.
I wrote to the ministry informing them that these are the very nominees that they nominated to come to council. Then they replied by saying that yeah, it's fine, we agree to it.
Ministry nomination.
I then informed them again that the ministry have accepted your nomination. Then they came, they have taken oath. That is how they joined the council. Now, do you have those correspondences from the ministry, between you and the ministry? Nena correspondent yo ingamne dohna sa digante ak ministry bi nda yanko amé.
Amna lolu dafa nek ci admin because admin ñoo dé binda.
I know that will be within the admin because
during her testimony, Lowe detailed the council's meeting structure, revealing that sessions occur once a month unless urgent matters necessitate additional discussions. She noted that Banjul City Council operates through 5 key committees focused on finance, employment, general administration, youth engagement, and sports development.
Oras bi yaw sa bopa ya ko halat wala ko discuss wala da ngeen ko discuss bi council fofu.
Council lañ ko discuss even though I wasn't there. Why I supported it.
It was discussed at the level of council while I was absent, but I supported it. And a resolution was passed to that effect. Resolution.
Exactly.
Exactly. Please provide us with the resolution. Resolution. When you came in 2018, was there a strategic plan that you formulated? A strategic plan? Nena binga ñëwé 2018 nena da fofa amon strategic plan bi nga xam ne dañ ko formulate.
Wa fatali ku nané defaron strategic plan mu fa won.
Yes, I can remember that there was a strategic plan. Was there an operational plan? Nena am ngeen operational plan.
Operational plan comme naka?
I want to be guided. What is that operation? So when you have a strategic plan, then you have an operational plan as to how to achieve the strategic objectives of the institution. So I'm a strategic plan. If they have an operation plan, we have more topoto.
Okay. Wow.
Yes.
They don't want to under strategic plan because strategic plan, of course, the way forward, the vision.
Yes, that is a fact because the strategic plan must have supporting things. That is the operation.
When pressed by Council Patrick Gomez regarding the formulation of standing orders and strategic planning efforts within the council, Lowe admitted to contributing to the process but struggled to recall specific details. She subsequently urged to provide supporting documentation outlining the council's strategic framework.
Didn't you use, of course, our tools you mean, Dahdu?
Yes. When the tools you mean, yes.
So basically, on the governance side, we relied on the Local Government Act.
For me personally, on the governance side, we rely on the Local Government Act.
A good practice is nga xamne mayor yi fa nekkon loolu lañ doon def.
And the good practice that the mayors who were there was following, or that was the one they were using.
And what were these good practices?
Nena so na good practices moy lalla.
Bari na.
There are many.
Please name a few.
Nena mun nga ñu wala tudal lu newi.
Well, part of them moy donation yi nga xamne comme for example dañ ko day jox ci julit ñi jox ko Christian si di ko jox sport committee si etc and etc lool fofu la ko fekka.
Part of it is just like the donation we used to give outside to the Muslims, Christians, and
even though we do it with a budget line.
And we do it, but we do have a budget line for that.
Scholarships, if I.
Furthermore, Law discussed the legal framework governing council's management, emphasizing its role in shaping administrative procedures and operational efficiency.
Mayor munuta discipline ken.
The mayor cannot discipline anybody.
Mayor munuta promote ken.
Mayor cannot promote anybody.
Mayor munuta demote ken.
Mayor cannot demote anybody.
Mayor munuta ken jël ken liggéey.
Mayor cannot employ anybody.
Kon ana doole mayor bi.
So where's the powers?
Mayor munuta spend dara.
Mayor munta spend.
Munta spend dara.
Mayor cannot be able to spend anything.
So ana dole mayor bi.
Where are the powers?
And I have evidences on the table here.
And here I have evidences with me on the
where
table.
Minister bi ci bopam dañ la bind di la wax ne anything to do with discipline key or even pour binda len sax dañ la wax ne buñu binda di permanent secretary la binda ne la bul ma binda so bëggé wax man waxal
A focal point of her testimony was the restrictive nature of mayoral powers in the Gambia. Expressing frustration over the limitation of her authority, she highlighted the lack of capacity to discipline, promote, demote, or employ staff. Lowe questioned the effectiveness of elected mayors under such constraints, presenting evidence to underscore her concerns. As the inquiry processes, the Commission continues to probe the structural challenges affecting local governance, aiming to address key concerns surrounding council operations and efficiency. For Star TV News, this is Awasane.